special marine warning.
What
The
the
National
fuck?
Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, at 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing a waterspout 10 nautical miles east of Jacksonville Beach, moving northeast at 15 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, hail, and heavy rains. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following marine locations. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine out 60 nautical miles.